Hi everyone, my name is Fuzi and I am 20 years old and I don't know, I own an agency. I just started an agency which is named FKM Agency. It's a digital marketing agency, and before they say anything, no. The answer of the question is no. I didn't watch Iman Ghazi video or just get motivated by some other agencies. None of that. I started my own agency because I just work with other agencies. I am just like, I have experience in marketing. I have some experience, a lot of experience in marketing and design and how to build landing page, all that bullshit you're seeing on YouTube. Yeah, I just have experience with that. So that's the answer to the question. I didn't get motivated by Iman Ghazi or just how to make 10,000 grand in 1 month. I usually do some outreach, get some clients, and boom, just have, I don't know, 2,000, 300, $5,000 a month. No. It doesn't work like that. Let's say the reason why I started this channel, or the reason why I'm doing this video, is first of all marketing, of course. Like, what are you expecting me? Like, to tell you how to start an agency from zero, and of course I'm gonna make this video later. But audience, like, I wanna share guys' experience with you. Like, I wanna show like how the business is not easy, like everybody said. It's not easy at all. Like, people say that you can do some outreach, you get a client, get 2,000, book some off payment, get $1,000 a month, and you get rich. No, I worked before with entities, and that is not exactly what happened. Yeah, you can make really high profit, but you need a lot of time to reach that level. But as a beginner, no, you can't do it, because you make few, like make 10,000 in first client, 2,000, maybe you just lose the client, get new client. If your business is not stable yet. So look, you're gonna see me going from point to another point. That's because I didn't write scripts, I didn't prepare for the video, I didn't do anything before the video. So I'm just gonna be free, just like gonna talking to you guys like you are standing in front of me. So yeah, that's it. Okay, let's start with why I'm doing this video, or why I started this channel. Okay, first of all, like I said, is audience and marketing and share experience. So I'm just gonna share my process and my journey with you, like how my business is going, how I do some outreach, how I get client, how I close my meeting, how I close client, how I prepare the contract, how I prepare to launch some ads in YouTube, on Google ads, on Facebook. Like, that's it. Like, there's nothing new. I'm just gonna start. But what new is, I don't know, maybe in future when I get successful in agencies, I'm thinking about starting a shop. Like, I own my own maybe merch, maybe, I don't know, like, it's kind of investment. I'm not gonna reach that point yet, but that's that about agencies. I'm just gonna be honest with you, okay? Like, I worked with agency before, and I see like it's not easy. It's not easy at all. I don't wanna go further to the point, and I don't wanna make the video 10 hours longer, or 35 minutes, or 10 minutes. Like, I don't care about monetization of YouTube. I don't care about any of that. I just wanna say what people should say, and I'm gonna be honest. I'm gonna share my experience with you guys in the future. I'm gonna do some outreach, get a client, how to prepare everything. That's it. So yeah, that's it. Like, there's nothing new, or maybe there's something that, like, I'm doing it in my way, the way that I used to do before. Like I said, I worked with some agency before, and that's maybe gonna help me a little bit. Not a little bit, gonna help me a lot, because I know how to deal with clients, how to do with sales, how to close clients. If you wanna do something, just do it. If you are thinking about something, you have an idea, just apply it. Don't watch videos of some people like tell you can just click on your phone and make 10,000 grand a month. That's bullshit. Okay, if you don't work hard, if you don't suffer, if you don't, like, doesn't sleep at night, like, you get fucked life, you're not gonna win, you're not gonna success, probably gonna do nothing. So yeah, if you wanna start web shopping, just do it. If you wanna start SMMA, start. If you wanna start e-commerce, start. I don't know, okay, just stay from the bad side business, you know. I don't recommend this for anyone. Even if you're broke, don't do that best business. Well, that's it. By the way, it's not my first language, so excuse me if you always like ruin the language. Look up in the channel if you wanna see my business process. Do like, do dislike, and tell me why you like the video. Share the video, use clips. You can do anything. You can just make memes. I don't know. I don't care. I'm gonna do what I wanna do. And yeah, thank you for watching the video. It's not long. I know maybe it's 4 5 minutes, 6 minutes, maybe long. I don't know. So yeah, thank you guys for watching the video, and see you in the next video. Maybe this week, maybe today.